Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Moffat, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a green card photo to be accepted in that portal while applying for green card. Now all you need to do is make sure you have a nice camera, and while taking the photo make sure that you're facing the camera, and preferably with a white background, and also make sure that both your ears are visible. If your ears are not visible, maybe use a cut tissue paper behind your ears and it will be visible. Now these photos must have the following measurements. If you go to their website, we have the measurement size here. Look, this is the size they need. Photo should be 2 inches by 2 inches, 51 by 51 millimeters, with the head centered. Make sure that the head should be at the center of the background, the way this one is. Look, this side and this side should be the same. Also the head should be at the center. Also should be a half of the of the background. Now if your photo looks like this, it will not be accepted. You can see the way it is. These are unaccepted photos. You see, this one is on the right. You see this one. Now look at that. Head size is too small in photo, so you can, this is the link if you want to see the photo requirements. So assuming now you have met all these requirements, you want to put there the size, use Photoshop to give the exact size they need, like 2 inches by 2 inches or 600 pixels by 600 pixels. So I'm gonna use Obama's photo. So this one is not very nice. Look at this. This one is better. You can use a white background. So if you're using Photoshop, you can change the background. Look at that. There you go. And then you put there the white background like that. This is now white background. Now image size, look, it's 160 by 216 pixels. So they need 600 by 600 pixels, like that. So it will be like that. And then you save as, and then you give it the name JPEG, then save. Yup. Now you have a 600 by 600 pixel photo. Now if you're having a challenge with applying green card, maybe the photo is not being accepted, they're saying the photo is too small, the photo is too large, the photo blah blah blah, just talk to me on the using the phone number indicated in my description. Also, if you want to apply green card, I can help you do that at a small fee. Use my number below and I will help you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video educating, kindly subscribe to my channel, and also comment, like, share. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.